Alright, here's a new video game that I made. I've updated it quite a bit. The code in it is actually pretty crazy. The code is massive. The code has about 713 lines, 14 lines of code. 714 lines of code, which is pretty massive. You can change quite a bit. Now basically what the game is that these are different tribes, 4 different tribes of colors. And there goes the wizard. The game is called Wizard of War. And there's 4 different tribes, each a different color. And when they make contact with each other, that's considered a battle. After 3 contacts, it changed that one agent. We're going to call it an agent because that's what the code calls them. Each agent, after 3 battles, changes colors to the last one that it hit. So the last one that it battled with. So it'll like a blue and a yellow. If the blue has been in 2 battles already, and it gets in the scuffle with the yellow one, it'll change yellow after that one. And you get into an endless loop where they just continuously, do the same thing without ever touching each other. When there's only a couple of them, so I had to throw in a variable, and that variable is the wizard, and that wizard is that star that goes through, spinning through, and whatever he touches disappears and turns to stone. And then that creates a second variable. Those little white things are what's left of what the wizard does with one of the battling members. And they create a new place where the agents bounce off, and then that creates a variable sending it back to where, sending it on a new path instead of the same path over and over and over again. And it's actually cool. But here you have the amount of agents per tribe. Tribe 1, which is red, has 194. They're winning right now, to 13, to 38, to 18. It's constantly changing. And the green is like symbolizes like grass, and then the blue symbolizes water. Also you have, this is new right here, the population trend shows you an updated thing, the population of each color, of each tribe. As you can see, red is winning, so it's higher, and it updates like what you would see in a ER or at the hospital or something. It's pretty cool. But it constantly updates as the game plays. Now after the game is over, it'll show you, of course there's a game timer. The game has been going on for 5 minutes and 40 seconds. After the game is over, it'll show the winning tribe, and then it'll show you the percentage of kills per each member. And it's pretty cool. This second set of numbers is how many battles each tribe has won, because after the game is over, it'll show you the data of the percentage of kills and how long the battle took and who won. It'll reset and play again, and it'll count how many wins each team has. I just restarted it, so as we see, the reds are really killing. And then after one of the tribes is gone, like yellow is almost gone, it'll show after one of the tribes is gone, it'll show, instead of number, it'll show that it's gone forever, that it went extinct. It'll say extinct right there on the number pad. But pretty kick butt of a game. There was a game. Oh, and I also created a case for the game system. It's now handheld. It has its own battery. Right now, it's running off of a phone charger, but it has its own battery in the back. Right there, the battery pack, which is charging right now. But it's pretty neat. I could take this wherever I want to go and have it do battle. Here's the code right here, which is pretty crazy. And it's like I told you, 714 lines of code, which is pretty monstrous. Pretty monstrous. There's a lot of stuff that has to be done. I can't believe this is the biggest, most crazy code that I've ever done. It is a lot, but trial and error, go back and forth and back and forth. It's running on Arduino Nano ESP32, which is a very powerful little microcontroller. See, there's the game name, Wizard of War. You have to tell it what color, where to put it, what size of text. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy what you have to do. But as we see the game, there's only a couple left, and Tribe 4 is down to 2. They're all single digits except for the reds. They're pretty nifty. Watch. Now it has to make a solid contact. It can't just touch. It has to make a solid contact like that. There you go. You just saw it change, and now it's down to 3. So, pretty nifty. See how it goes by? And it takes away some of the lives from the red one. As you can see, it dropped right there. See that? Pretty neat. Pretty cool. I've stayed up day after day after day coding this, and we're gone on for like a week of coding, if not a week and a half. But pretty neat game. Pretty nifty game. Has sound. It has lighting that I need to fix up inside the handheld unit. But just thought I'd share that. See, it says extinct. T3, which is green, has gone extinct. Pretty cool.